All right, it's Friday. You know what time it is. Job review. All right, job number 1 is with Digital Janet. It's a QA analyst manual tester 3 days ago. Let's go ahead and position and apply. Job number 2 is with DealPath, a QA analyst too, 95 to 105K, and looks like they want you to have some Jira, Asana, Trello, and API testing. Let's position and apply. Oh, and if you have fintech or real estate experience as a bonus, they like you. All right, job number 3 is a senior manual QA. Now it says 50 to 62. It is a contract, but look, 12 months to get you some experience. Now it does say hybrid, but I'm showing this specifically because if you're in Charlotte, listen, this is still a great opportunity, and all you got to do is position and apply. 8 to 10 years of experience. Yes, let's use our transferable experience and our transferable skills to get that history. And they want some database testing. Job number 4 is a manual QA engineer or QA manual engineer. And if you have e-learning platform experience or e-commerce, they are looking for you. These are core software testing responsibilities. Every single one of you can go for this job. And job number 5 is for our healthcare people. Do you have Epic EHR experience? Well, on top of that, with QA skill sets, listen, they are willing to give you the money of 90 to 180K. Let's position and apply. DM me skills if you want me to teach you too.